I thought it was 5:20. I just wanted to bring
It
it
is.
in.
It is 5:30. You did put 5:30 in it, right?
Yes, ma'am. I thought.
When you said 5, I was like, I know it's 5. Yes, it is 5:30. I'm sorry.
I'm just making sure.
I'm so upset. My blood pressure's just out the roof. But you got 5:30, right? Okay. Okay.
And
I
Zach
saw him draining it out.
I'm sticking around to make sure that no one touches it other than Zach.
Thank you.
But
What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. Thank you. I
Owens.
appreciate it.
You're welcome. I hope this doesn't make you stop coming here. I hope that Zach and I can at least.
Well,
keep
I mean,
you here.
he was like, we need to give you some free oil changes, and I'm like, I just need to make sure my engine's not like gonna blow up.
Well, that's what
Let
we're
me
doing.
tell you, yeah, I don't know if you're old enough to remember when Minute Lubes were around. Do you remember those?
A little bit.
So I had a Ford Escort, 4-cylinder. I lived in Paulding County at that time, and I'd taken my vehicle to a Minute Lube. This is before I met my ex-husband, and I was single parent then, mom of one, and I got the oil change, and I came back. My car started smoking. So I called them, and they were like, well, I think the guy put, because they do everything, windshield washer fluid, everything. They put too much in, and I was like, what do you mean? He said, well, I think they put windshield washer fluid in there too. I was like, what? What? Needless to say, the engine blew up. So that's how, and then so I knew a little bit about cars before, and it was Chuck's Automotive and Body Shop. I mean, just because we had a body shop doesn't mean we didn't have an automotive place.
Right.
I mean, he can look that up online. But I'm just like, yeah, but it's 5:30. Sorry. What'd you say? 5:20?
Yeah, I said 5:20.
It's 5:30. It's 5:30. I'm glad
These
you
guys.
looked. It's 5:30.
These guys here be getting a little mad.
He just gave me a look like, I don't know. He don't need to be here. I mean, you might be desperate for employees, but I can't believe he talked to me that way. And thank you for video recording it.
Me neither.
I had it too, but thank you.
I was gonna say I'm gonna do something about it because see, I done did something about my bad.
That's okay.
Getting a registry number. I had a girl out here yesterday, or not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. 2.5 hours waiting for someone to check her out. I done did all 4 tires.
Oh, I got
she
here
was
at
ready
10.
to go. But no one was back here to check her out. I done got on the phone, paged the
She was
manager.
just walking back and forth, and she walked into here, walked into that. She didn't have anything with her. I'm like, what's she doing?
That's what I'm saying.
She's just walking around.
So now I'm the only one back here with registry numbers because of this. But no, if you can, I would like to have that video because I want to take it to corporate for real because they shouldn't be talking to people.
Yeah,
like that.
well, I've got, it might trim it. You want to write your number down? It might trim it, but write your number and your email down. I could probably send it as a Google link.
Oh, heck yeah. So I want to do something about it.
And it'll probably, so if you see Seagate Investigations, that's me. I own an investigation company.
Damn.
That's why I'm videoing. That's why I video.
I don't know how to do
Yeah,
these.
but I don't know what, she just walked back in there and walked around. And there were other people standing in front of me that had been standing here. I think I stood here for, it might have been 25 minutes. And finally I was like, excuse me, can somebody help us?
Actually,
Owens Anthony 796.
I'm gonna give you my Apple.
I have a Android. Does that make a difference?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
It's just my iCloud. I got a lot of emails going to that email, so that way I'll know when it's you. If I know how to get to
And I
it.
can also transfer it to a thumb drive. Might just send it from my computer.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, because you think it won't hold in the Gmail? Probably not. Yeah.
I got a lot of mail. Let's get this big. Make it look a little bit better. Sorry. NTHON1OWENS 796.
iCloud.com.
Yes, ma'am. RCOD right here. .com.
Okay.
I mean,
What's the 796?
that's my Gmail.
No, I mean, but what's the 796?
That right there?
Yeah, what's it mean?
I just picked it 3 random numbers. It wouldn't take my regular
Born in
name.
July 96?
99.
Oh.
It was close enough. It wouldn't take my 99. It really wouldn't. 8, 6.
I'm not lifting it.
Ma'am?
When you have a sec, can you bring me an H5?
Yes, ma'am.
I've got the steroids for 98 and good years for 125.
Good job, ma'am.
All right, thank you. I'll do it.
Hey, for you. It's fine.